Hello kids, welcome to my another video. Today we will learn A, B, C, D. This is our colors. This is our colors. This is green color. This is pink color. This is light pink color. This is yellow color. This is orange color. This is blue color. This is brown color. This is light green color. This is red color. This is sky blue color. This is black color. This is purple color. So kids, let's start the video. Yellow color. A for alligator, light pink color. B for boy, green color. C for crown, purple color. D for dog, sky blue color. E for egg, orange color. F for fish, blue color. G for girl, brown color. H for heart, light green color. I for igloo, red color. J for jug, pink color. K for kangaroo, black color. L for lamp, light green color. M for moon, brown color. N for nose, blue color. O for orange, orange color. P for peacock, sky blue color. Q for quail, purple color. R for rat, green color. S for sheep, light pink color. T for tree, yellow color. U for uncle, green color. V for van, purple color. W for watermelon, orange color. X for X-ray, brown color. Y for yolk, light green color. Z for zebra. A for alligator. B for boy. C for crown. D for doll. E for egg. F for fish. G for girl. H for heart. I for igloo. J for jug. K for kangaroo. L for lamp. M for moon. N for nose. O for orange. P for peacock. Q for quiet. R for rat. S for sheep. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for van. W for watermelon. X for X-ray. Y for yolk. Z for zebra. Hello kids, like my video and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching my video.